Easy where I am. Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And today I'm back with another video coming to you guys straight from my bathroom. Yes, welcome to my bathroom. I think I should talk. No, I'm gonna just talk this way for now. So this has been like the longest awaited video on my channel. This is my skincare routine, and I was supposed to do this video almost a year ago, or probably a year ago. So yeah, this has been long overdue. This was actually a requested video by someone that left a comment. I'll put the comment here somewhere if I could find it. So that was like one of my first video requests ever, and I failed to deliver. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna turn this way. Alrighty guys, I think you could see me. You should be able to see me in the mirror. But so in the mornings, I usually don't do much to my face. I don't use like a soap or anything. I just wash my face with cold water, and then I get this Freeman hydrating glacier water, pink whatever. This is a gel cream mask, and it's blue when it comes out. It's like blue like that, if you guys can see that. And I just put that on my face. I don't put on a lot because it's very moisturizing. It's not oily, but it's just really moisturizing. And if I put too much of like any type of moisturizer on my face, I get pimples. I don't put too much, and it just kind of leaves me a little glowy for like the whole day. In the nighttime, when I am in the shower, like usually before I go to bed, there's like nail polish on my elbow. Just ignore that. So usually when I'm in the shower, I'm gonna talk this way. Usually when I'm in the shower, I do my little routine. But you know, for the sake of the video, we'll do it right here in my sink or whatever. I usually wash my face in like warm water, I guess. First thing I do is I take some Nekeisha. This is it. You all know what it is. This is the original deep cleansing one. So yeah, usually I'm in the shower, so my face is already wet with like lukewarm water. So I'm gonna just wet my face. So now my face is wet. I just go ahead and take some of the Nekeisha, and I just put it on my face. So yeah, then I do that on my face. So then yeah, I just put it on my face for a little bit. Ooh, I got it all on my eyebrow. Yeah, I just put it on my face for like a little bit. I usually just leave it on until I feel a deep tingling. You would feel it. You'll feel it. It's probably not gonna be a deep tingling, but a tingling. So I just have it on my face, and I just leave it on for like 2 seconds. Usually at this point in the shower, I grab my exfoliator and I'm like exfoliating my body. And when I'm done exfoliating my body, I'll wash it off. Okay, so it's been long enough. It's been about like a minute or so. So I'm gonna just wash it off. Wash it off with warm water. I'm drowning. Okay, so after that, I go with my Clean and Clear Morning Burst Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Yeah, it's this one. I don't even know, like, because I know there's different ones, but this doesn't say what flavor. So I use this, and then I go with my little spin brush or whatever. The batteries don't work. That part just stopped working. There's brand new batteries in here that I keep forgetting to take out, but it just doesn't work anymore. I don't know. It was supposed to be waterproof, but I guess not. So I just take some, and I wet my spin brush, and then I do 3 pumps of this on my brush. 2 and 3. And then I just go in, and then I start, my shirt gets wet. Okay, so when you're done, wash your face. And I take this little thingamabob here that I have. Excuse my nails, okay? I did them myself. I painted them myself, and now they look like this. So I take this little thingamabob, and I go in on my nose because I have like, I don't even know what to call it, like whiteheads. I have whiteheads on my nose. So I use this to take them out. It hasn't really been working for me. It just temporarily removes them from my nose for like 2 days, 2-3 days, and then they come back, and then I have to do it again. So if you know a way to get rid of them, comment down below. This part I'm gonna do off camera because it can be a little nasty. See all the stuff coming out? I don't know about you, but I just don't like it. So I'm not gonna put it in the video. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, my nose is a little red because I was trying to pop them, bro. Take them out. But they're gonna pop up in 2 days anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So after all of that, I use either one of these masks. So these are also by Freeman. That's literally all I use. So this one is a peel off clay mask by Freeman or whatever. It instantly removes impurities and tones for radiant skin. And this one is a clay mask. It's an anti-stress clay mask, and it instantly clears pores, balances for renewed skin. So this is new and it's really cute and pretty and blue. So I'm gonna use this. Plus it does like a really nice tingling thing, and it makes my skin feel really clean after, whereas this one makes my skin feel more smooth. And I just want my skin to feel clean because I feel like this weekend or this week my skin hasn't been its best. Like I didn't get any pimples or anything, but it just hasn't been its best. So I'm gonna use this, and it comes out like that. I'm super ashy, but this is how it comes out, and it smells like baby wipes. So I just do that. You should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Whoa. Music. Alrighty guys, so this is what's on my face. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. I don't think so because I'm ugly. So then after this mask is done and it's dry and it's hard and I can't move my face, I come back in, rinse my face with cold water, as cold as I can take, or as cold as you can take, whatever. And then after that, I go in with a tiny little bit of this, as I said before, a tiny little bit of this, and I put it all over my face, and I just leave it on. Go to sleep, wake up, and as I said in the beginning of the video, in the mornings, I just wash my face with simply cold water, and I put on a little bit of this again, because that's basically like my moisturizer. And sometimes I use Pond's too. You know, Pond's, I'll insert a picture. I use Pond's as well. It just like depends, because now it's like getting colder outside, so I use this. You know, now I have something to use as my moisturizing. So yeah. So I would totally film me washing this off and putting that on, but I'm watching this show and it started already and I'm missing it. So with that being said, I'ma go. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. You know, leave some more video ideas down below so I can, you know, I have a few video ideas in my head right now, but you know, I always run out eventually. So just comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for everyone that's been subscribing and everyone that's been watching my videos. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.